This particular Kittyhawk, the P-40N-1, is a genuine Pacific Theater combat veteran, and it served with the revered RAAF 75 Squadron in combat in New Guinea. After 3 decades of abandonment in the jungles, it was finally rescued and restored, long enough ago to have demonstrated just how well that job was done. This aircraft embodies the impressive, convertible 2-seat configuration created on this very airframe by the engineers at Pioneer Aero Ltd. The unique configuration allows for the aircraft to appear as a pure single-seat fighter for airshows, or, with barely a minute or two of attention, it can be converted to practical 2-seat configuration. This P-40 also boasts dual controls to allow experience for type ratings, or for the non-pilot to experience a few minutes of the feel of a genuine World War II fighter in the air. A rarity among restored P-40s, this aircraft boasts a drop tank with the necessary mountings, plumbing, and sway bars. This operational extended range fuel system allows for longer flights to those revenue-earning airshows. This is the world's sole P-40 that has had fully equipped gun bays reinstated to host operational Browning 50 cal machine guns. These have proven to be great crowd pleasers at airshows at which blank ammunition has been fired as empty cartridge cases rain from the ejection chutes. This is the ultimate party trick for a warbird fighter. This has been a properly restored, properly maintained, pampered World War II fighter that is now looking to start the next chapter in its history. If you wanted a restored P-40 to fly, enjoy, and tell a little bit of history along the way, you just won't find a more qualified aircraft than this one. For more information, visit classicaircraftsales.com.